Hi, it's Zelda here. If you have conversations with clients who want to work with you, it doesn't matter what industry you're in, whether you're a builder, a consultant, a website designer, this automation is literally going to save you hours of time each week. How it works is you have a conversation with the client, AI captures it all, and then it turns that conversation into a templated proposal or quote document. It drafts an email to the client with the document attached to it. And you can have a one-click payment method enabled. You can link it up to your CRM or client database, and you can make the output as fancy as you want. There are no limits here. In this demo, I'm going to show you exactly how this AI automation works. Okay, so let me show you the automation and talk it over at a high level. So we've got an Airtable element here, which is the database that stores all of your client records in. We've got an AI that transcribes the meeting that you are attending, and we have a way of synthesizing the content of that meeting into chatgpt. So we've got 3 chatgpt agents, if you will, here that will take the content or the transcription of that meeting and summarize it into what we discussed, what the client would like and when they would like it for. Then we take that information and populate it into a Google Docs template. So that template can be anything that you want it to be. I've just chosen a really basic sort of proposal template for this demo. And then you can get that template downloaded into a PDF, and then the automation will also draft you an email to the recipient that you've had a conversation with on your call and attach the PDF document. So if we just look at this step by step, so in Airtable I've got this really basic client database. I've got client name, first name, surname, logo, business name, status, etc. And what it will do is it will put, if you change the meeting status, say for example I have a meeting scheduled with somebody, if you change it to complete, that is the trigger that triggers this entire automation. And you can change the trigger. This is just an example that I've put together to show you how it works. And then once the meeting is complete and you've had your conversation with your client, the AI, Firefly's AI, will take the transcript from that meeting from Google Meet, and this is Firefly, so this is the call that I just started myself. So I was just testing it, blah blah blah. There's quite a lot of blah blah blahs in there. And what it does is it summarizes the meeting. It provides an overview. It highlights the actions for you as well, and it will take that information and put it into the automation. Then we will use ChatGPT to synthesize that information into a kind of summary, and we'll populate that into a Google document. So let me just run this now so you can see how it works. Is it working? Oh, move me out of the way. Okay. So as you can see that it's processing step by step. Now it's on the ChatGPT function. So it's summarizing what we discussed, what the client would like, when they want it for, it's creating the document from a template with that information. It's downloaded it as a PDF and it's written a draft email. So let's go to my Google Mail. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the email that it's drafted here. Hey Zelda, it's great to chat. Based on our conversation, I've attached a proposal for your review. Let me know if you have any questions. And then it's attached the PDF document, which is here. Just download that. So it's put the client logo at the top, and that can be anything. You can change that to be whatever you want it to be. It's got, you know, the template is really basic, so it says, hello, great to speak to you earlier, here's our proposal, so here's what we discussed, and this is what the AI has created based on the transcript of the meeting. So this is, when you think back to here, what we discussed, this was this agent's job, and then you scroll down what you would like, so these are the things that were mentioned in that meeting here, which is what this GPT agent has created. And then you've got the when for, which is a really simple one-line summary of that this agent here has created. And then you can have set areas within your template that are always the same. So here you've got, you know, the pricing section, for instance, or what to do next. And you can have a one-click payment page set up. So you can literally automate payments coming in almost immediately into your business, which is just pretty amazing, I think. You don't have to touch the screen at all. It literally just does it all for you. So that is the output, and it's all ready to go in my inbox here, in my drafts folder. Okay, so there you have it, a very simple automation that can literally save you, I mean literally, thousands and thousands of hours of work, and, you know, taking notes from conversations and putting them in documents. You can do that completely automated. It just takes a little bit of tweaking here and there. If you know, you can use whichever meeting transcription software that you currently use. You can use whichever LLM you want. You can use whichever document provider you want to use, and you can make the output as customizable as you want. It just all depends on what you're looking to do with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this demo. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to hear about when a new video comes out. And yeah, look forward to showing you the next demo in due course. Cheers.